everyone. This is McKaylee. I'm here with Barb, and it's Machine Tip Tuesday. And we're going to show you today how to switch from embroidery and to sewing and back. So here is Barb.
Okay, I'm ready to go. Okay, the thing I wanted to show you today is if you have an embroidery sewing machine that does both, a lot of times people will say, oh, I don't want to switch back and forth, don't want to do it. Well, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do. Okay, one thing I like to use is this handy little advanced driver set. And in it you will find, I think I've shown this to you before, you will find this needle. So this just fits right on the screw to change my needle. I don't have to fuss with whether I've got it in the hole or not, it's just right there. And this part is smaller, it's got little grippers on it. It's smaller than the one that came with your machine, even though that's a really good one. But this right here just fits right in here. And it's easy for me to turn. Now right now I'm set up to be in sewing. And even though I've got my embroidery arm on, I can sew on it. If I wanted to put my extension table on, that works too. But I've got my embroidery arm, I can still sew because I'm in the sewing section right over here. Now if I wanted to switch to embroidery, one thing I really need to do is turn my machine off, because you don't want to take this arm on or off with the machine on. The machine has to be off. Even though I can go to this window, to the embroidery window, even though right there it says always press when removing the embroidery unit, that doesn't mean just press it and then take it off. That's simply going to move the guy out of the way. So he's out of the way. I still need to turn the machine off. Then I can pop it off, and then I can turn my machine back on. I can put my extension arm on to sew. But if I'm in the sewing, so I actually want to switch to embroidery. So I'm going to turn it off and slide my unit on, and then turn the machine on. Another thing you have to do to prepare to embroider is unplug your foot. Now this is the foot pedal. It plugs in the side of my machine, but to embroider, I want that unplugged. All right, that's one thing you need to do. Now I want to take this off, so I'm going to use this cute little screw I showed you. I'm just going to turn it and slip the foot off. Now here's my embroider foot. I'm going to put that in the same spot. And turn that on. Then I'm going to tighten it with this thing. This machine also has a plug in the back. I'm going to plug in. I think my power just got switched. Okay. Now I'm ready to embroider. My machine knows that I've got it plugged in the back. And when I go in, touch my embroidery window, and I am ready to go.
Easy.
That's as easy as it is, as simple as it is. Just remember, always turn your machine off to take your embroidery arm on or off, and then keep your foot unplugged.
Awesome. Thanks,
okay?
Barb.
You're welcome.